Guys, if you are in this spatial room, you can enjoy everything. Nice comfortable bed, nice sofa. Of course, if you want to play something, you can play here as well. And of course, the most important thing here is this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. What I can say is, come try by yourself. So people, you are tired from busy city? Just come here and enjoy by yourself this amazing screen and amazing yacht. You will gonna love it. You will gonna be in love. Guys, I'm already in love. You know why? Because I'm enjoying every my second. You know guys, I love enjoying my time. So I'm enjoying like this. You wanna see more? Look at the bathroom. Yeah. Maybe I want to take a shower in here. Are you doing parties? You can choose. Look how many rooms here. And every room has a touch balcony. If you want to enjoy this view, beautiful. Can you imagine? I feel like I'm captain. Look at these guys. It is magical. Guys, there is touch different cinema. You want to see? I want to show you guys. I'm interested actually. Oh my god, guys. This is the cinema. This is the cinema. Can you imagine? In this yacht, they have own touch cinema. Big cinema. Oh my god, I'm in love with this yacht. I'm in love with this boat. Okay, let's watch something. Okay, everyone wants a little bit party, right? Let's go to nightclub. Yes, I love parties, and I love pool parties, and you can do it with the pleasure because there is really nice pool. This incredible person, owner of this amazing yacht. Thank you so much for a nice tour. Because I really enjoyed it. Did you enjoy it with me this tour? And I hope you like it. I'm sure you like it. But you want to see more? Try by yourself. Come.